želi v slovenščini postaviti vprašanje, je tudi možno, pa bomo potem preverili, tako da drugače pa...
Vjeni, ima mikrofon, prosim. Kar...
I didn't see.
Tukaj.
Ok. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Yes, sir.
Ne.
No?
Yeah.
Ne.
Just turn it on.
Yes, sir.
Ne, it's the same as in Luxembourg. Should we also say ne?
Ne, it's the same.
Samo bliže, ko s njim se je užgano, tega bliže.
Thank you very much. Good morning. My name is Anton Jamnik. I come here from Ljubljani. It was not switch on. Excuse me. Thank you very much for your very interesting lecture and the information you gave us. I would like to ask you if you could spend a few words on how you see the future development of the world from security, military, and also an environmental perspective. In other words, just to explain a little bit, if China and India are becoming the leading powers, and we know they will, would they be capable of solving security, environmental, climate change problems better than, let's say, now the G8 or 21? We know that the world faces the lack of water, let's say, in Himalayas, the Near East, Brazil problems, and so on. We also know that the conduct of China in Africa is not very ethical. More or less, that are rumors, or I don't know, probably the correct information. We also know that the history of Europe and Near East is filled with wars and conflicts, and we know less about Chinese and let's say Indian history, but you probably could spend a few words on that. Thank you very much.
It's a very difficult question. As I am no prophet, I do not know how things will develop. But first about environment, I mean, one thing now the terrible catastrophe in Japan has showed, that just relying on science, which in fact means on materialism, we cannot continue that. Because the safe nuclear centers were not safe. And the danger is much too big for humanity. But I think we have not thought about the consequences. Because the consequences would, in order to preserve life, we probably have to change lifestyle. And that is perhaps a conversion that we are invited to